The PDMProperties tool of the myPDMtools suite allows you to easily update SOLIDWORKS PDM variables en masse. To activate PDM properties, go to the myPDMtools options and activate the tool in the context menu. We need to copy some variable values from the @ configuration to all configurations. So, select the set of files you want to modify. Launch PDM Properties from the right-click menu. Open the tool settings and set it to read from the variables of the first configuration, @, then apply it to all configurations. We will set the value of several missing configuration variables. For example, number, and project name. We will take the opportunity to concatenate project number and number in the variable article code. The tool also allows you to use dynamic list menus. Or to show version-free variables only. Click Apply to confirm the changes. We can then view the report to verify that the tool was successful.